Duplicate here. Just got back from the movie theater watching 999, a movie I highly regret spending my money on. I did have fun. It was entertaining, but compared to the cast and what this movie should have been based on the cast, I probably went into that movie with too high expectations. It's like they skipped the first act altogether. You don't get to know any of the characters. You're suddenly just thrown into that story without any kind of base, trying to base the movie on something. We don't know anything about the characters. Do they have families? Do they work for a living? Do they, I don't know, have wives and children? And like there's no character arcs for anybody. It's about a heist crew that's based on both former military and corrupt police officers. They get this job to rob this building and take some computer thing. I don't even know. It was stupid. It stars Anthony Mackie, Chiwetel Ejiofor, Kate Winslet, Casey Affleck, Aaron Paul from Breaking Bad. Yeah, as I said, it was fun. It was entertaining, but it was in no way good. I mean, oh my god, it wasn't not even close to being good. I will in no way recommend this movie to anyone. I have nothing more to say. I'm gonna give that movie just because of the cast. This movie is gonna get 1.5 stars out of 5. I mean, without that cast, it's gonna get 0.5. It was horrible. It was bad. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna try to keep making these videos as I watch movies. Have a good time. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. So yeah, bye bye.